There we go. Here we go. All right, can I slip past you here, Mike? We're going up this thing. There we go. Okay, can I get down there somewhere so I can get you guys up this hill?
Which way are we going?
Okay, I gotta get down here and I can show you.
Follow me.
Come on, scoot on down. Scoot on down some more. I want to stand in there so that I can show you where we're going. All right, here we go. Stay right here.
Wait, my buddy.
That's okay. You can see them. You guys can see each other. Now, where we are right now, okay, we came in here. We're in this room here. There's several different passages on this room. There's one down here. We're not going to go there. It's really tight. It goes down to a hole that's about this big around. I've been down there a couple of times, got stuck once. I won't do that again. It also comes out that crack. You see how tight that crack is. So that's the difficult part of that. And there's a way there that's really kind of tight. Oh, wait, I got that up here. Looking for the wrong thing. That's really kind of tight. There's another one over here. It's kind of tight and kind of sketchy too. We're going to go up here. See this? That crack there? Now there's a couple of ways that you can do this. And I'm trying to get my pack on so I have both hands. Okay, now one way you could do it is to go underneath this rock here, pop up on the other side right here. There's a foothold in that wall over there on the other side of the rock, and boost yourself up and then go up along this crack in the wall till you get to the top, and then you just step out into the next room, which is this big room up here with the big rocks. Okay, then there's another way you can do it too, is to go on the outside. Let me stand down here a second. Where you climb up here, foot, 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 and you're holding on the outside, and then you proceed on up. I have to spot you on this part because you can see how tall it is. It's a body height, so that means I have to spot you. But don't have to spot you on this part here because you're protected inside that, all that kind of stuff. I'm looking for something.
We go up here. Under?
You want to go under?
Up.
Or else? Come here. Come here.
Same place. Me?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Oh, because you only got the little
You want to switch partners? Oh, you want to go up, right? Yeah.
You got the clip on the helmet. Come here. We're gonna make you a photographer.
Yo, what up? You take what? Alright.
You're a photographer now. There you go. You got a GoPro. All right. So just pick whether you want to go to the outside or the inside. Okay. And on the outside, I have to spot you. You don't have to stay with your buddy. Do the same thing as your buddy. Just stay with your buddy. Make sense? Okay.
There's a room up top there.
You want to try it?
Yes, sir.
Foot.
Do we start
Foot here. Here. Yeah, go ahead. The next foot here.
Just tell me to be up on these.
Put a foot here. All the way up there. And then swing your right foot around there.
You might have to take
Keep your body over top of your feet as you're going up. That's it. Just like that. Just like that. Perfect. Up you go.
You got him? Yeah.
Oh, man!
Do not drop Theodore. Here, you ready? Catch that.
Okay, you ready? Wait till he's up there. We don't want to get too close.
Where's your buddy?
Okay.
As you can see, they're all going up.
Dora. Okay, go ahead.
We did that.
That's it. That's it. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Buddy, you good, Q?
You guys are doing great. Very good.
Hold on, wait.
That's it.
We have to do the same razor, but okay. You don't have to.
No, you don't have to go up the same way as your buddy.
When you get up there, just meet your buddy up there.
There you go.
I'm gonna trim you.
Okay, we're gonna hold up for a minute. We gotta.
That's the other way. Yeah.
On lunch.
Hello. I'm going up. I'm waiting for the. Can I go now?
Wait till she's up and out of the way, and then
Oh, water just dripped on me.
there you go.
Oh my god.
Come on, go down.
All right, go.
Alan, can we go down?
Why do I?
Alan, can we go down?
Down where?
I don't know.
The way they're going.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
What?
Okay, I'll go.
Where are they going?
Yeah, this
Like right
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Wait till she's out of the way,
Is
and
this
then swing
actually
your
gonna be
foot
in
up there. Okay, just keep your body over top of your feet.
Is this actually
Okay.
going to be in the video?
Can I go?
Yeah.
My GoPro?
Yeah.
These are batteries in the GoPro.
You got under it.
Go. You got it.
Can I go now?
Yeah. Go ahead. Hold on a second.
Oh, you tell us when, dog. I don't mind.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall if I do that.
Easier.
Go ahead. But just don't get too.
You good? You good? Yeah.
Try it again.
You got this.
Should I go?
Keep your body over top of your feet. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes?
Yeah. Just keep going
Watch
straight
the
up like
GoPro.
that.
Keep
That's
your
it.
head down.
That's it.
Keep your
That's
head
it.
down.
Move your foot over to there. A little more. There you go. You're perfect. Perfect. Go ahead. You got it.
How do I get up there?
One step at a time.
You blink your eyes, twinkle your nose, and then you'll just float right off. Okay? I learned that from Santa Claus.
Oh, that's gonna. I'm gonna slip if I do that.
No. I got your foot here. Then you got to put your other foot right here. Okay?
Okay.
And hold on to this. Keep your body over top of your feet. Don't let your body go back. Okay? All right. And I got your foot. You're not going to go anywhere.
No, I am.
No. If you start to slide down, I'll catch you. Believe me, I've done this a few times. That's it. Just swing your foot over. That's it. Perfect. Now that's good. You did really good. Go. Go. You got it. You got it. Okay, you got it? There you go. Perfect. 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 These guys are doing good.
Have you guys done yours? What's your question?
I got you.
Catch me! There you go.
I need to watch this.
Did the hole get smaller? You might just get older.
There he is. Dog, get over here. Go in the most dangerous spot. Who's the most dangerous?
Mike, you're doing so good. I don't know how you keep up with these kids. All the time, too.
Sometimes it's easier. Some days it's easier than others. It's wetter than this year than last year.
Yeah. It's supposed to get hotter, too.
You would rather be cold or hot? Yo, don't. Make sure you don't drop it. Cause like everybody bought that means deep.
I can't let you in the hands are covered in mud.
Your hands are covered in mud. Oh my God.
We're all ready to go on the next step.
Right when we leave, there's a giant sliding board stay out. You wanna look at the
My
pool?
goal is to be covered in mud.
Sorry.
70, but now go under 70.
All right.
Cave.
Okay. Can I get over there?
Yeah, sure.
I know you can't see me in the dark where I'm pointing, but I want to get over there somewhere.
Just down there.
That way or this way?
It doesn't make any difference. Whichever way is clear. Just as long as I don't step on anybody. It's not a pretty sight when I do that. Yes.
Little foot stuck right up inside.
Okay, I want to get up here and just so that I can. All right. We're just slowly getting acclimated here in the dark. There's this thing here that panorama. I don't get to use this. Okay, so I'm going to try it, see what happens. Oh no, I have to start from this side, sorry.
I just don't know how to do this one.
I don't know if that worked or not. Anyway, I'm not going to do anything with that. This room, we have
I know that's one of the ones.
where we came up is one passage. This is what I mean by this is a maze cave. There's a passage we came up. If you look down that hole right there, there's a hole there that goes on the other side of this big wall, and there's a walking passage on the other side of that. If you look down there, there's a hole there too. And that goes this way, and behind this big wall over there, it's crawling passage to a big chimney that's about this big around, and it goes up about 6-7 feet. We're not going to do that right now. It's a little tough to do, so we're not going to do that. We're going to, behind me, there's a crack here that we're going to go down, and the trick to this one, it's not as bad as it sounds, is as you're facing that direction on the left hand side, you'll see a crack in the wall that's horizontal, that's about the height of your feet. Okay? And you're going to stick your toes in that. I'll show you how to do that as we go. You're going to stick your toes in that and then lean against the opposite wall and kind of like do a Batman type of thing, shimmying down the wall. It's not that high up, really. It may look sketchy, but you're only like 2 feet off the ground. It's not that high up. And as you get down, further down this crack, when it stops, there's another crack right below it that you can step down on and either keep going or else just step down onto the floor. Okay? So take care of the person behind you. Okay?
I was on first. I don't know where. Oh.
All right.
Sarah, where are you right behind you?
Careful, BB. Sorry.
I will be.
Okay, do you see what I mean? There's a crack here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go and do this.
I'm sorry.
See behind you. Yeah. Everybody's doing okay?
You're just sliding through. It's really are a beautiful cave back there.
And this is where I step down. You don't have to step all the way down to the floor. Your legs are a little bit shorter. You can step down to this one and go down further and then step down if you wish. Okay? It's up to you. Very good. That rock's been wobbling like that for 20 years. It's not going anywhere. We're going to sit in this room for a little bit, okay? I just want to make sure everybody gets down and is good.
Oh, oh. Okay, hi.
Hello?
Over here. Whoa. Oh wait, oh shoot. I don't know.
Take your time. Take your time, yeah. You're doing good. Very good. Okay, don't fall down in there. You can go past me, you can go behind me, whatever way you wish, okay?
You gotta go down on the next one.
Whoa, don't step on this rock.
Don't step on this rock. Keep going.
We're gonna go up, by the way. I really want to go up. We're gonna have to go up that way.
I made it.
You made it.
The chimney.
Oh wait. Are you able to cross the chimney?
Do you want to?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Well, let's get everybody in here first so I only have to explain it once.
Yo. Sorry. You still don't any. Yo, I almost fell.
Almost.
Yeah. Is there a path
Almost.
through there?
We'll have to try harder next time.
Is there a path through there?
Yeah. There are a lot of passages here. Okay. Let's come on back this way.
This way?
You can come behind me. Yeah. We're just going to gather up in this room. What?
How many rooms have we done out?
3?
Out how many?
We've done 3.
Yeah, how many are there?
Oh, I don't know. Lots.
Yo, Jackson.
Lots and lots. We won't see the whole cave today. No, this cave is big. It's got 2,400 linear feet of passage. But that includes all the passages that are like this big that you can't fit in.
Just follow it.
Okay, let's get everybody down here and in here. Be careful on that. Yeah, okay.
Oh, this is actually spacious. Everything. That's
How many more we got coming?
3.
Over there.
James, knock on wood. That's a rock.
Is it Mike?
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.